Hi, today I am going to tell you the latest Digital Darood Calculator. I will tell you how you can install and use it effectively. After installing it, open the app. It will be ready in a few seconds. You can see a large button with plus sign. This is to count the Darood Sharif recitations. You can also click on the above button to add the values. If at any time you clicked by mistake and want to decrease the value, click on the red button below. This app will remember your recitations even if you close the app. Once you have recited enough, you should submit it to the internet to save it with your name and email ID. You need to register for the first time. For this, click on the register button. Enter your full name, email ID and passwords. Remember that internet is required for this purpose. Before updating the recitations, make it sure that you are signed in with your own email ID. Then click on Update button and your record is uploaded to the internet. You can go back to the Darood Counter now to recite Darood again. Next time when you want to submit it, just log in with your email ID and passwords. Whenever you submit Darood recitation second time onward, you would see your total recitation in current month as well as from the first day you started using this app, which is labeled as lifetime submission. I hope you must have found it very simple yet amazing Digital Darood Calculator. Do tell your family and friends about this great Digital Darood Sharif counter and submitter, which is totally free.